Sure, here's a recipe for Pad Kaprao Moo, pork stir-fried with basil. Ingredients: 300 g ground pork, 2 cups fresh Thai basil leaves, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 3 to 4 bird's eye chilies, chopped, adjust to taste, 1 small onion, sliced, optional, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, optional, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce,
1 tablespoon soy sauce,
1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, a 1/4 cup chicken broth or water, 1 fried egg, optional, for serving, cooked jasmine rice for serving. Instructions: prepare the ingredients. Mince the garlic and chop the chilies. Slice the onion and bell pepper if using. Pick the basil leaves off the stems. Cook the pork. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and chilies, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Add the pork. Add the ground pork to the wok. Stir-fry until the pork is cooked through and no longer pink. Add the vegetables. If using, add the sliced onion and red bell pepper to the pork. Stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Season the dish. Add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar to the wok. Stir well to combine. Add the chicken broth or water and let the mixture cook for another 2 minutes. Add the basil. Turn off the heat and add the fresh basil leaves to the wok. Stir until the basil is wilted and well combined with the pork mixture. Serve. Serve the Pad Kaprao Moo hot with steamed jasmine rice. Top with a fried egg if desired. Enjoy your delicious Pad Kaprao Moo. Pad Kaprao Moo, pork stir-fried with basil, is a popular Thai dish known for its bold flavors and quick preparation. It's a staple in Thai cuisine, often enjoyed as a quick and satisfying meal. The dish features ground pork stir-fried with garlic, chilies, and fresh Thai basil leaves, which gives it a distinctive aroma and taste. The seasonings typically include soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. Key elements of Pad Kaprao Moo. Ground pork, the main protein in the dish, though it can be substituted with chicken, beef, or tofu. Thai basil. Known for its unique, slightly spicy flavor, it is a crucial ingredient that sets this dish apart. Garlic and chilies. These provide the heat and aromatic base of the dish. Seasonings. A combination of oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar creates a savory, umami-rich sauce. Pad Kaprao Moo is typically served with steamed jasmine rice and often topped with a fried egg, known as kai dao in Thai. The runny yolk from the fried egg adds a rich, creamy element that complements the spicy, savory stir-fry. This dish is beloved for its simplicity and intense flavors, making it a favorite among both locals and visitors in Thailand.